Well, folks, I am afraid that I won't see you until next year. Yes, I made that joke. At least I didn't buy collard greens. Devotion 90 wubba 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 1. After Jonathan rightly noted how his father's foolish command had weakened the people continued to fight the battle on an empty stomach. But finally, they got so weak and famished that they did the unthinkable. 1 Samuel 14:32. And the people flew upon the spoil and took sheep and oxen and calves and slew them on the ground, and the people did eat them with the blood. This was one of the greatest sins under the Mosaic law. Leviticus 17:10. And whatsoever man there be of the house of Israel, or of the strangers that sojourn among you, that eateth any manner of blood, I will even set my face against that soul that eateth blood, and will cut him off from among his people. For the life of the flesh is in the blood, and I have given it to you upon the altar to make an atonement for your souls. For it is the blood that maketh an atonement for the soul. When Saul realized this, he told the people that they had sinned. Then he cooked the meat for them. Huge sin. Very laid-back response. But shortly after that he found out that Jonathan had eaten a little bit of honey. And his answer to him in verse 44 was, "Thou shalt surely die, Jonathan." The people had merely disobeyed the Lord. Jonathan had embarrassed his father. Do you see the skewed priorities of Saul? And yet, how often do we yawn when people sin against God and fly into a rage when they hurt our precious feelings? Do recognize the difference between sins against God and personal embarrassment against us. Had it not been for the intervention of the people, Saul would have lost his own son due to his misplaced priorities. Excellent point, that we should keep our priorities straight. God first. Have a blessed day.